Guys, I'm literally about to share with you some of the best ways to get started with making that passive income, and you literally need, you guessed it, $0. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I make videos here on my channel every Tuesday and Friday about things related to YouTube and making money online and being your own boss. I'm really excited to share with you guys several different ways you can start earning a passive income online so that you can finally stop having to spend all your hours working and actually enjoy the life you live. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. My number one, and you guys know I talk about this so much here on my channel, it is print on demand. This is such an easy way to get started. Literally costs $0 to do, and you can start making these products immediately. It is literally a company where you create the design or find a design somewhere online, and you can put it on a shirt, a makeup bag, a cell phone case. You can put it on backpacks. You can put it on socks, dog bags, dog bandanas, literally like posters and canvas frames, so much stuff. I did an entire video on how to create a print-on-demand product, so I'm going to link that video for you guys right here to go and check it out next. By the end of this month, I will also finally have live my mini course all about how to create, get started, where to find designs, and where to upload your designs when it comes to print-on-demand products. So be on the lookout for that. But in the meanwhile, go and check out that other video because it does have a lot of really good advice. If you have a YouTube channel, a blog, or any kind of social media channel, Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, what else is there? Twitter? Yeah, any of those you can use and actually have affiliate links. So you could mention something that you love to use, maybe a product or something that you use all the time or that's a constantly part of your routine. You could link a product that you suggest or you think would be interesting or something that you found that was really fun. Whenever people click on those affiliate links, they go and they buy from that link and you get a small commission from that for literally just sharing something that you already use and love. That's one of my favorite passive income things because you literally don't realize how much that's adding up over time. And it's kind of amazing when you get to the end of the month and you're just like, I literally just made $100 for like mentioning one time that I use XYZ product. That's insane. That's awesome. Another idea you could do is create an ebook for Kindle or Amazon. So this could take a little bit more work, and that's what a lot of passive income ideas kind of do. They take a little bit of upfront work, but once you do it, it's all passive income, baby. You literally don't have to touch or work on it again. It's just there. So if you spend maybe a month or two writing a little short ebook, and then you literally just go and sell it, create a cute cover on canva.com, guys, you could literally sell it for $5, $10. People will buy it. Like, I promise you. Market it a little bit and people will start buying. And you'll be surprised how many sales you make a month and you're literally not even putting work into selling it or trying to push it. Like, it's insane. It just blows my mind. Another big, obvious one that you could do, but I think a lot of people are afraid of doing, is selling a course. And I actually talked about this in one of my previous videos on like making more money besides Google AdSense on your channel. And I think that courses are something that a lot of people kind of turn their nose up at or they think might be a little bit scammy. And I don't really think that's the case. I think a lot of people are moving away from a traditional education of like college and courses like that. And they're moving towards more of these niche style classes where you're getting the one-on-one attention. It's actually specific details and instructions and helpful advice for doing something that you're interested in. It doesn't have to be something like starting a business or making $1,000 a month. No, it can literally be about anything, guys. It could be all about how to set up your DSLR camera. It could be about iPhone photography. It could be about whatever it is that you're interested. You just have to be willing to put in a little bit of work up front to create something that people are going to be interested in buying. And share your tips and tricks. That's why people are coming to you, because you're the expert with the advice. If you live in a bigger city or town and you have a spare bedroom or space in your house, you could absolutely put it on Airbnb or Vrbo or VRBO, whatever you want to call it. Those are great rent out spaces. So people who are coming into town and just need a budget friendly area or space to stay in are going to be willing to do that. And if it's already in your home, all that you really have to do is maybe clean up a little bit after they leave and boom, you're good. So I really love that idea, but again, that's kind of something that you have to pick and choose whether or not it really applies to you. My next idea that I want to kind of touch on goes back a little bit to print on demand, but it's actually creating a digital product. So something that you just create on your computer and then you sell it as a digital file. This could be anything from a budget spreadsheet, website design, social media, fill-in picture posts, printables that people could use to organize their thoughts, digital planners, digital stickers, Procreate brushes, fonts. I mean, there is a never-ending world of digital products that people are willing to purchase, and a lot of times because it's so easy to get them and you receive them instantly, people are more likely to spend the money on it in an instant and very impulsively. So if you're having a competitive price and you're offering a digital item, you're likely going to make some pretty good sales. Now this next one is one that I was very iffy about when I first started and I first started to think about it, but I test ran it a little bit. It definitely has really good passive income potential if you're willing to put in the work, and you need to be willing to test and fail and try again. It is actually drop shipping. So when I'm talking about drop shipping, I'm actually saying someone comes to your website or your Amazon shop and they buy an item. It's an item that you have bought at a lower price from another shop, but you're not buying it until they've ordered it. So you're not having to spend any of your money up front other than that first purchase basically, which is, depending on what you're selling, really isn't going to be that much. So this is someone who's ordering a product, you put in the order for it from their website over here, and then they literally ship it for you. Yeah, literally, if you've got the correct tools lined up in your Shopify account, there are ones that literally do everything for you. So people will find the item on your shop where you've upped the price, they'll go and buy it from over here, and then they ship it for you with no branding on it, and ba-boom. And you literally did nothing except for find a good product. One thing I don't think a lot of people think about is actually sharing your stock photos. All of us nowadays have cell phones, literally sitting right here. Cute phone case, by the way, if you like it, it's on my Etsy shop. Plug. Everyone has a phone, and that is one of the easiest way to get started with stock photography. Stock photography is where you can upload your pictures and people can buy them basically for pennies on the dollar or cents on the dollar, or you can sell it to certain websites and they will sell it then from there. It adds up really fast over time because you could literally go out and take a couple of pictures wherever you are. If you're in a new city, maybe you went on a walk in the park. If you've got a cute dog, go and take a picture of them. If you've got different things around your house that you could just take stock photos of. People are always looking for those kinds of images that they can use on their social medias, that they can use on their website and their branding. So people want to buy stock photos. And this one's really easy because if you've already just been taking photos in general in your life, then you've already got them. You just go ahead and upload them and it's literally no work at all. And people are buying them while you're sleeping and it's great. Obviously, if you have a DSLR camera or a nicer camera than your phone, even better. I mean, if you're a photographer and you're just out shooting for fun, go and put those photos on a stock photography website so people can start buying them. You'd be surprised how much money you could make. This one is for all of my college and high school friends. If you are someone who has good handwriting, you take really detailed and organized notes, sell them. Sell them to people in your classes. Sell them to people who are going to be taking your classes next. Say, hey, I've got all of these great handwritten notes on this XYZ topic. If you want to download it, you can have it for $2. You can have it for $5. Here's all of my notes from an entire semester of a class for $10, $15, $20. You'd be surprised how many people are so lazy that they don't want to write their own notes that they'd be willing to buy yours. And especially if you have good handwriting and cute organizational notes and things like that, people want them. People will literally buy them. So selling class notes is such a good and really cool passive income way. Just make sure you have a good system for keeping them organized and then sell them. My last passive income idea is to use cashback, apps, and rewards. So things like Ibotta and then credit card rewards. So when you spend an XYZ amount of money, you get this much money back. These kind of things can add up over time, and why not earn that free extra money from doing what you already do day in and day out and buying those things you've already been buying. It's just another way to just save money, make money, and you literally had to do no extra work. Question of the day for you guys. Which one of these are you going to start using right now, right away? I want to know because again, guys, 2020, this is the year that we're not just listening to the video and not applying any of it. No, no, no. We are picking one. We're going to start using it because this video is not going to help you if you just listen to it. We got to actually put it into place, okay? So let me know down below in the comments, which one are you going to actually do? I love responding to you guys, so look out for my response. I cannot wait to see what you guys say. Right here on the screen, I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 videos for you guys that I think you will enjoy so much. I have another one that's all about how to make $1,000 in a month. So if you are interested in that, I'm gonna link that one as well. My friends who are on your mobile devices, I am going to link these videos down below in the description box for you because I know you can't see them on my face. I'm also going to put my subscribe button right here. And if you're on mobile, my friends, you can just go and click that little red button right down below. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification, guys, because that's how you're gonna get notified every time I upload a new video. And you won't wanna miss any. Alrighty guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.